Hi everyone, I'm Stephen and welcome to Audio Nautica. Something a little bit different today. I've got this Miele WT945 combination washer dryer. This thing's about 30 years old or so. Made in Germany. They don't make them like this anymore, which is why it's always great to keep these things going if you can. So what can happen with these things, and what happened with these ones, is that the dryer can stop working. So it'll go through the motions, it'll look like it's going through the drying cycle, but the dryer doesn't actually heat up. And there's a couple of things that can cause that. One is, if you're like me and you didn't actually bother reading the manual, I should have been doing there's this rinse out fluff setting up here. Like in a normal dryer, you have the lint filter. This doesn't have like an external lint filter that you manually clean out. You do this rinse out fluff setting, and so because I wasn't doing that when I really should have been, it kind of got clogged up with fluff and it overheated. So that tripped the. There's a thermal circuit breaker inside the unit. The other thing that can cause the thermal circuit breaker to trip is there's like a channel that is inside the unit, and that can get clogged up with fluff as well. If that happens, the channel needs to be replaced, so you'll need to get a technician in to come and do that for you. And the way you'd know that would be the problem is if you rinse out the fluff, if you reset the circuit breaker, and it still keeps on tripping, then that's probably what the problem is. So what I'm going to do now is just show you where to find this circuit breaker. So obviously the first thing we need to do is make sure that we're unplugged from the wall, and then to access the unit, there's a couple of screws. There's one here and then there's one over here. So just because I'm in this cramped sort of environment, I'm going to use my little right angle ratchet screwdriver that will allow me to get in there, hopefully. Right, with those two screws out, this lid, it just pushes back like so and lifts straight up and off. Okay, so the reset is just here, mounted on the side of this big box thing on the top. So I'll just take you in a little bit closer so you can see that. Okay, so here it is right here. It's just a little switch, and yeah, you just reset that if it's tripped. And that should be hopefully it. So yeah, you basically just put the lid back on, put the two screws in, and you should be good to go. I hope this has been helpful. These are glorious machines. It's great to keep them going a bit longer if one can. Give me a like if this was helpful, and please do check out some of the other videos on my channel. Bye for now.